Eyepiece where look through the CD specimens and also magnifies times 10. And then objective lens is magnifies the specimen. There are 3 types of piece, which is the times 4, times 10, or times 40. And then stage is where the microscope slide is placed, and clips. Stage clips is used to hold the microscope slide in the place. Road focus wheel moves the stage in order to focus on the specimen, and then this is fine focus wheel moves the stage minute in order to focus on the specimens. And Irish diagram control how much light passes through the specimens. And lastly is light allows the specimen to be seen. Mirror used to be used instead on the older models. Thank you.
It's not.